Pip install editable / versus Python Setup.Py develop. Is there any significant difference between and the setup tools variant?
Try to avoid calling Setup.Py directly, it will not properly tell pip that you've installed your package. With pip install E. For local projects, the subproject.eginfo directory is created relative to the project path. This is one advantage over just using Setup.Py develop, which creates the eginfo directly relative the current working directory. More, edocs. Also read the setuptools docs.
One more difference, pip install E uses will while Python Setup.Py develop doesn't use it. With install, you could achieve the same behavior by using pip install E path to package no use wheel. More info on wheels, Python wheels.
Another difference that may favor pip install E is that if your project has dependencies in install_requires in setup.py, then pip install E.installs dependencies with pip, while Python setup.py develop can install with easy_install, and may cause problems eginfo as mentioned above. When install requires uses dependency_links with custom git URLs, with attached egg identifiers, this can be especially annoying.
Yet another difference, and when you run Python Setup.Py develop for a version that is considered a pre-release, perhaps because you're running it from a git clone when not having checked out a release, then you will enable installation of pre-releases of your dependencies. On the other hand, with pip install editable you would have to pass pre explicitly if you want these pre-releases. See the CI log with pre-releases accidentally used and compare that to a fixed build here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.